Okay. So here what we have is 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4.
Okay.
And we just said that this sum was what?
That was n times n plus 1 over 2.
Okay. So how do you think I can represent that geometrically?
Well, well, if this is the sum here, and if we arrange them in some way, that would be nice.
Okay.
So, if we did it, I guess for 1 plus 2 plus 3, at COA.
Okay.
So, we have n, if we have this here, we have this up to n.
That one goes up to n.
Times n, if we fit these together, we get a square, and then we divide it in half.
Ah.
But, yeah, if we do this, it becomes a rectangle.
Oh, okay. Well, actually, that's very interesting. So if we let n be 4 in our example here, what you're saying is 1 up to n plus 1, 2 plus 3 up to n minus 1. This becomes a perfect square. In fact, what did that equal? Remember, n is 4 here, so you put those together and you got a perfect square. What perfect square was that?
It's 4 squared.
Okay, so what do you think you've just shown? 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n minus 1 equals what?
N plus n. So it's n plus n minus 1 equals n squared.
Okay, so it's not n plus n minus 1, it's the sum up to n plus the sum up to n minus 1 equals n squared. So that's interesting. And then we might have, if we're going to deal with our sum, we might have an extra part to put on. But you found something interesting that I wasn't expecting. So let's see why that might be true. So what's our formula for 1 up to n?
So it's n times n plus 1 over 2.
What would the formula be for 1 up to n minus 1?
N minus 1 times n over 2.
Okay. We can multiply these out. We get, do you know what it is when I multiply n times n plus 1?
So you get n squared plus n.
All of this, luckily we have over 2 for both of them. What do I get when I do n minus 1 times n?
So you get n squared and minus n. So n squared. So these plus n minus n cancel. So you have 2n squared over 2, that's just n squared.
So that was pretty neat.
Yeah.
So you found a neat formula. 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n plus 1 plus 2 plus 3 up to n minus 1 actually equals n squared. Cool.
Yeah.
Let me show you something else really quick, since we're going to take a little diversion into this. That was a cool discovery.